Hello, good morning students. Myself Nikhil M. Changoli. Okay, as already we discussed in the first class, that is what are the introduction of the thermodynamics and all things. Okay, today we have to discuss that what is thermodynamics, what are the basic of thermodynamics, that is what is system, surrounding, a boundary, what are the different properties, it is intensive, extensive properties, what is control volume, control surface, all things we have to study here. Okay, before that discuss question arises, what is thermodynamics? Okay, remember that you have to split that, you will understood that meaning. Thermodynamics, basically thermodynamics came from two words, that is this is a Greek word. Okay, you have to split that. Thermodynamics, therma plus dynamics. Okay, therma means what? That is thermo or therma means heat. Okay, dynamics means what? Motion. Now how to define, the question arises, how to define the thermodynamics? Okay, here it's clear to say that thermodynamics deals with the transfer of energy. Okay, that may be heat energy, transfer of energy from one place to another and from one form to another. Okay, how to define transfer of energy from one place to another and from one form to another? I'll explain this afterwards. Okay, here the key concept is what? Heat is form of energy. That amount of heat we have to utilize for the work done. Okay, so here the corresponding to a definite amount of mechanical work. Okay, this came from two Greek words, that is therma means heat, dynamics means motion. So means you have to thermodynamics, we have to add the therma heat and dynamics means motion. Okay, it means here the transfer of heat from one place to another. Okay, or from one form to another. This can be explained here by considering this sketch. Okay, the vapor power cycle sketch. Okay, how heat is converted to useful work. Okay, one form of energy is converted into another form of energy. Okay, consider this is the boiler. Okay, this is turbine, this is condenser, this is the pump. Okay, for that you have to remember function, what is the individual function of the boiler, all that four components. Okay, function of boiler is what? You know that function of boiler is what? It generates the steam. How the steam generates? Question arises. Okay, the steam can be generated how? You have to supply the heat to what? To the boiler. Inside the boiler, what will present? Water. Our aim is we have to heat the water. Once water is heated, what? The water is converted into steam. Okay, that steam enters here the boiler and is connected to where? Turbine. Okay, that steam is entered from the boiler outlet into the inlet of the turbine. Okay, that steam hits to the turbine blades. Okay, and turbine rotates. The function of turbine is what? It generates the power. Question arises, how it generates the power? Okay, here you know that boiler generates the steam. That steam hits to turbine blades. Okay, now the turbine rotates. Once turbine rotates, turbine is connected to the generator through the shaft. Once turbine rotates, shaft also rotates. Now see here, this W turbo out means work done of the turbine. Okay, once shaft rotates, that shaft is connected to generator. Due to magnetic field, okay, electricity can be produced. Okay, this is in general how the work can be produced from the heat. Okay, understood that? from the boiler, remember that in the boiler we have to produce the steam. That steam, heat energy, can be used to done the useful work with the help of turbine. Okay. Now that remaining steam is enter into the condenser. Whatever remaining steam from turbine output, that is number 4, that enter into the inlet of the condenser. Okay. In condenser, what is the condenser function means? It rejects the heat here. Q out means it rejects the heat. It removes all the heat, okay, and converts into liquid. Okay. Condenser means what? Its function is it removes the heat, okay, and converts into liquid, that is water. That water from the condenser output enters into the pump inlet. You know that pump function is what? It pumps that water, means it creates the pressure. That water, see here, you have to supply the work pump, means you have to give the work to the pump. Okay. That water from the pump enters into the inlet of the boiler. Now water comes to boiler. Okay, again same procedure, you have to supply the heat to the boiler. Okay, now steam can be produced, that steam enters into the turbine. Now finally you got the work. Okay, this in general what is thermodynamics. Okay, or you have to consider the heat, means how the heat transfer from one place to another. Consider example of metallic rod. I want to heat one side of the rod. Okay, due to heating here, wherever you have to heat, at the time the temperature is more compared to other side. Now consider heated part temperature is T1, other side is T2. Okay, temperature is more at T1. Okay, here temperature reduced from T1 to T2. Okay, this is due to conduction. Therefore you have to say thermodynamics means here heat transfer from T1 to T2. Okay, it can't be visible, but only we have to feel that. Okay, this is in general thermodynamics. Okay, now what are the next what are the basic concepts? System, surrounding, bound to discuss one by one. So this is a system, means what? A quantity of matter or a region in space upon which our attention is concentrated for the analysis of problem. Okay, suppose listen here, this is a system, means okay, consider an example of blackboard. Okay, whatever we have to dictate in the board, take that as a system. Suppose I want to write anything XYZ on the board. The board acts as a system because you are all of you concentrate on the board only. Okay, therefore we call that is a system. Therefore see here, quantity of matter or region in space upon which attention is concentrated, because your concentration is where? Purely on the board. Okay, this is in general system. Okay, surrounding means what? Whatever external, everything external to the system, you call that is surrounding or environment. Whatever outside the board, blackboard, I told that board, outside the board, we call that is surrounding. Okay, in general surrounding means everything external to the system, we call that is surrounding or environment. Okay, next that is boundary, by seeing the sketch. Okay, what is the boundary? By seeing the sketch only. See here, this is system, this is surrounding. The system is separated from the surrounding. System, surrounding, outside body. System is separated from the surrounding, we call that is boundary. Okay, system is separated from the surrounding by the system boundary. Next is what? Universe. What is universe? Question arises. Universe means what? System and its surrounding together comprise the universe. Okay, means this system and surrounding together we call that is universe. Okay, just remember that system means whatever you have to concentrate for analysis of the problem, that may be anything, where you have to concentrate it on the main part of the analyzed portion, we call that a system. Surrounding means whatever the area outside the system, we call that is surrounding. Question arises, what is boundary? By seeing this, it is clear that boundary means the system is separated from the surrounding by the help of boundary. Okay, this is boundary. Universe means what? System and surrounding together, we call that is universe. Okay, these are in general system, surrounding, boundary. I hope that is clear. What discuss first? That is what is thermodynamics. What are the different types? Types means okay. What is thermodynamics is over. Next, basic concept, that is system, surrounding, boundary, that is over. Next important concept, that is what is control volume and control surface. You have to discuss that. Okay, control volume means, listen here, how to define control volume means it is the volume in space through which matter, momentum and energy may flow. See here, and also that control surface means what? The volume is bounded by a surface, okay, known as control surface. So suppose listen here, assume this is the control volume. Suppose whatever the inside, that may be matter or see here, okay, suppose inside this anything, fluid will be present, etc. Okay, at that time we call that, okay, that we call that is control volume. Whatever this inside present is the control volume. Okay, and that may be flow outside, also that be energy in and mass out. Okay, that volume, this that pink color is that control surface means whatever that gas etc. fluid is surrounded with the help of surface, we call that control surface. Okay, this is in general control surface. I hope that it is clear. That is control volume over, control surface over. Next, type of the system. Okay, what are the different types of system? Okay, you know the system means what? Wherever our concentration is focused, means for analysis of the problem. Generally there are three types of the system. Okay, open system, closed system, isolated system. That is open system, closed system, isolated system. Okay, these are the three types of the system. Okay, first question arises, what is open system? Okay, remember that open system means here what it says here, both mass and energy can cross the selected boundaries. Here example is open cup of tea. How it will happen? What I told here, both mass and energy can cross. Suppose inside the controller, assume that okay, any fluid is there. At that time mass and energy can be flow. At that time we call that is open system. Example is open cup of coffee, because the cup of coffee is open to the atmosphere. While that is open to the atmosphere means of course that is both mass and energy can be cross the boundary. In general, open system. Similarly, closed system, as the name indicates, closed. Okay, closed system means here only energy can cross the system boundary, that is selected boundary. Here mass is constant, mass can't move because you have to close that type of system, that is closed. Example is what? Tightly capped cup of what? Coffee. In previous word you have to cup can be open, that is what? Open system. Here the system that can be closed, that is copy cuff can be you have to close. At that time whatever the inside the mass is constant. Okay, only what energy can be transferred here. Energy means yes, mass means no. Means here just remember that energy can cross the system, but mass is no, mass is constant. Okay, this is called closed system. Just remember that open system means both can be exchanged, energy and mass. Closed system means what? Only energy can transfer, mass is not transfer, that is mass is constant. Okay, last one is what? Isolated system. Iso as an mentions, isolated system means here neither mass nor energy can cross the selected boundary. Here that may be neither mass nor energy can cross the selected boundary. Okay. Example is coffee in a closed insulated thermal flask. How it will happen? All are familiar that. Take a cup of coffee or anything hot water in that thermo flask. You have to close that cap. You know that there is no heat transfer inside and outside, from inside to outside, because that vessel is closed. Okay, therefore it is purely isolated. We call it an isolated system. Here neither mass nor energy can cross the selected boundary. This we call that is what? Isolated system. Okay. Today what we discussed? First, that is what is thermodynamics. Next, for system surrounding boundary. After that, the control volume, control surface. Next, type of system, that is open system, closed system, isolated system. Okay, I will move that brief. What is that? Thermodynamics means what? Generally remember that this came from two words, therm and dynamics. You have to add that and you will understand that. Therm means what? Heat. Dynamics means what? Motion. Okay, you have to add that. You got the definition of thermodynamics. Means how to define. Okay, it is nothing but the transfer of heat from one place to another. Okay, and from transfer of heat energy from one place to another and from one form to another. Okay. Here our aim is what? That heat energy we have to utilize to make the amount of work done. Okay, this is in general thermodynamics. System surrounding boundary means what? System means what? Just remember that wherever you have to focus for the analysis of the problem. Okay, wherever you are concentrated on that part or that portion, we call that is system. Take the example of blackboard. Already I told that. Okay, system over surrounding means whatever outside part of the system, that is external part of the system, we call that is what? Surrounding. Okay, and next, that is boundary means what? The system and surrounding that can be separated from the surround, that by the system we call that is boundary. Universe means what? That system and surrounding together we call that is universe. These are the just system surrounding boundary. Control volume, control surface means what? Just remember that control volume. You know that volume means what? Whatever the inside area, that volume. Okay. In that volume what present? In the space through which that may be matter, momentum and energy may be flow. Okay. And that control surface means what? The whatever that control volume is there, that is bounded by what? Surface. That we call that is control surface. Okay, this is in general control surface. Last bit, that is what? You know that type of system, or different types of system: open system, closed system, another one is isolated system. Okay, open system, other name is open. Remember that you have to meaning the open close. Open means what? Remember only two concept. What happen? Mass energy for both in the open, close and isolated. Remember all three are related with the mass and energy. Remember that open means both are open, means both can be moved, means both can be cross, means mass and energy can cross the selected boundary. We call that is open system. Example means that cup, open cup of coffee. What is the closed system means? Closed means you have to that energy only open, that energy only can cross the selected boundary, that mass is constant. Okay, mass cannot be there move, that is mass is constant, because that is closed system. Isolated system, what? Isolated means, you know that isolated means it's a closed metallic vessel, that is no energy and mass can be transferred, means there neither mass nor energy can cross the selected boundary. Okay, that example is take any hot milk or anything, that coffee, hot coffee in a closed insulated thermo flask. Okay, this is in general type of system, that is isolated system. Okay, these are the three types: open system, closed system, isolated system. Okay, these are the general. Okay, I hope that it is clear. This is enough today. Okay, thank you.